Russia has started mass production of the new BM-30-D Spitsa unmanned combat unit. Mass production of the new BM-30-D Spitsa 32V01 unmanned combat unit for armored vehicles has begun in Russia. The development and assembly of the BM-30-D Spitsa was carried out by the Central Research Institute Burevestnik, Nijni Novgorod. A video appeared on the production web of this combat unit at the Burevestnik facility. It said the unit is intended to install the KamAZ-43269 Shot 4x4 armored vehicle for escort and protection of special items, as well as in lightweight form for the K4386 Typhoon-VDV 4x4 armored vehicle. Installing the system on other Russian armored vehicles is not an exception. The unit is equipped with a 30mm 2A42 automatic cannon, 7.62mm PKTM, 6P7K machine gun and AG-30 machine gun grenades. Modern targeting system with TD channels, thermal imaging and laser distance meter installed. The lighter version of the Typhoon-VDV was produced without automatic grenades. The KamAZ-43269 armored vehicle, equipped with the BM-30-D Spitsa type combat unit, is on display at the victory marches in Nijni Novgorod in 2021 and 2022. Currently, the number of combat units required and other details of the state order are unknown, and the Ministry of Defense has not provided official information regarding the BM-30-D system. So far, this is all just guesswork. It is noteworthy that the special military operations carried out in Ukraine made it possible to test new uninhabited combat units in combat conditions. The Spitsa-equipped armored vehicles may have already taken part in the battle, but without widespread publicity.